Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you 5 tips for developing a strong mindset for artificial intelligence success. First tip, believe in yourself. Confidence is key when it comes to achieving your goals in the AI field. Trust your abilities and know that you are capable of learning and growing. Now, let's move on to tip number 2, embrace failure. Failure is not the end, but rather a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward. Remember, success in artificial intelligence is not just about technical skills, but also about having the right mindset. Stay positive, keep pushing yourself, and never give up on your dreams. Uplifting ending sentence: your journey to AI success starts with a strong mindset. Believe in yourself and watch yourself achieve amazing things. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, fellow blockchain enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 easy ways to improve focus for blockchain success. Firstly, it's important to create a dedicated workspace free from distractions. Find a quiet corner or room where you can focus solely on your blockchain projects without interruptions. Secondly, practice mindfulness and meditation to clear your mind and enhance your concentration. Taking a few minutes each day to center yourself can work wonders for your productivity and focus. Remember, staying organized is key to staying focused. Keep track of your tasks, deadlines, and goals to ensure you're always on track towards block.
Hey there, quantum enthusiasts. Today, let's talk about unlocking the power of discipline in quantum computing. In the world of quantum computing, discipline is key. It's not just about solving complex equations and algorithms, but about having the patience and focus to understand the quantum realm. Without discipline, the power of quantum computing remains untapped. Main story point 1: discipline in quantum computing means staying committed to the research and development process. It's about pushing boundaries and exploring new possibilities, even when faced with challenges. Main story point 2: discipline also involves precision and attention to detail. In quantum computing, every bit of data matters, and one small mistake can lead to major consequences. By staying disciplined and focused, we can harness the true potential of quantum technology. So let's embrace discipline in our journey through quantum computing. With dedication and focus, we can unlock the limitless power of this revolutionary technology. Uplifting ending sentence: together, we can shape the future of quantum computing. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and let's dive into the quantum world together.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can boost your self-esteem with some mindful smart home upgrades. One way to enhance your self-esteem is by creating a calming and welcoming environment in your home. Smart lighting allows you to set the mood with just a touch of a button, helping you feel more relaxed and at peace. Another way to boost your self-esteem is by taking control of your home's temperature. With a smart thermostat, you can customize the temperature to your liking, creating a comfortable and cozy atmosphere that can have a positive impact on your mood. By incorporating these mindful smart home upgrades, you can create a space that supports your well-being and helps you feel more confident and empowered in your daily life. Uplifting ending sentence: remember, taking care of yourself and your environment is essential for building a strong sense of self-esteem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey there, VR enthusiasts. Are you looking to take your virtual reality routine to the next level? I've got you covered with 5 easy ways to elevate your VR experience. First up, try exploring different VR apps and games. There are so many amazing experiences out there, from thrilling adventures to calming meditation sessions. Don't be afraid to mix it up and discover something new. Next, don't forget about customizing your VR space. Personalize your virtual environment with custom backgrounds, furniture, and decorations. Creating a space that reflects your personality can make your VR sessions even more immersive and enjoyable. Remember to take breaks and move around while using VR to avoid fatigue and discomfort. And finally, don't be afraid to connect with other VR users through online communities and multiplayer games. Building relationships and sharing experiences can enhance your VR journey in ways you never imagined. So what are you waiting for? Level up your virtual reality routine today and immerse yourself in a whole new world of possibilities.